Howdy folks, Texas Mike here in Bountiful, Utah, just outside Bountiful Toyota. Hey, I want to show off this new Voodoo Blue Tundra. So, as you can tell, it's a little bigger than stock. We did a 3-1 leveling kit, Pro Comp. Also did 20-inch Moto Metal black wheels with some KM3s. This is a mud terrain tire that doesn't ride like a mud terrain. Very aggressive, pretty awesome. You'll notice we also did a blackout kit. Do love these kits. It just ties it in, blue and black. We did the N-FAB Predator style steps. As you'll notice, I've got 3 on each side. That's bed access along with it. That way, when you're in, you can reach into your bed and get whatever you need out. Pretty awesome. We did full tent. This thing is ready to go up almost this big old hill, but it's even more ready to be on the road. Hey, I just want to let you know that we are open. We're COVID-19 free. I hope you are, and hope you and your family are safe. But take care. Hey, we can also deliver the vehicle to you. We can sell it to you right over the phone or the internet. Pick up, delivery, whatever you need. We're at your disposal. Thanks very much.